Master smart money concepts for Forex, crypto, and indices. Trade with precision. Subscribe now and elevate your edge.
How well is the indicator providing us signals? We will just go into the settings and modify it a little, and it will provide us even better signals. Hello friends! In today's video, we are going to talk about a very important topic. How do we convert any indicator into a strategy? This is the most important thing. For example, I have an indicator applied here, which is the Smart Money Concept, SMC indicator. How can we convert the SMC concept into a strategy where we keep getting buy and sell signals? And proper signals at that? We will watch the full video and understand it step by step, part by part, with complete details. To convert this strategy, first we need a TradingView platform, help from an AI, which will directly convert the code into a strategy for us. A prompt to give to the AI, I have written a very simple prompt here. This is what we are going to apply. First, we need to go to the code section of the strategy and copy the code. You can see the code here. Press Ctrl+A, select all, as I'm doing now, and the entire strategy code gets selected. Just copy it, then go to Claude AI. You can use any AI you prefer, but in my opinion, for coding tasks, Claude AI gives the best performance for free. So I'm choosing Claude AI and pasting the code there. Our code is now in. Next, just copy the prompt and paste it in the same place. After pasting, you don't need to do anything else. Click the arrow button at the bottom. You don't need to do any coding yourself. All the coding and analysis will be done automatically by Claude AI. You just have to wait until it provides you the code. You'll receive a specific script. Just go back to TradingView, paste it there, and check whether the strategy has been built correctly or not. Here you can see, it has explained its strategy logic. First, it will check the higher time frame, then look at Fibonacci zones, then check order blocks, FVG, then get confirmation, and finally provide you the buy/sell signal. So this was our code. What do we do with the code? We download it. The download option is visible here. It's downloaded. After downloading, press Ctrl+A on the code file and copy it. Then go back to TradingView, create a new file. You can give it any name. I'll give it a default name for now. The full code is now pasted in. Click the Save button. After saving, it will ask for a strategy name. A default name is provided. Just save it. After saving, you may see an error. Don't get confused. Don't worry about it. Just copy the error, go back to Claude AI, and paste it there. What will it do? It will rectify the entire code again. After rectifying, it will generate and provide you a new code. You can see the new code has been generated. Download it again, open the file, follow the same process, Ctrl+A, copy it, go back to TradingView, delete the old pasted code, and press Ctrl+V again. Then click the arrow/run button. You'll see script option. Click it. Again, we might get another error. Just copy that error again, go back to Claude AI, give it a new comment/message with the error. It will rectify the full code once more and generate a new one. Finally, friends, the strategy has been written and our problem has been fixed. Download it again, copy it, go back to TradingView, delete the old code, paste the new one, and save it. Now let's see how the strategy looks. Whether the alignment is correct and our chart issue has been resolved. The chart issue is now gone. It is properly showing the trend where the price is in the discount zone, full details are shown, it has correctly captured swing highs and lows, and look, at this point it has given a buy signal. See how beautifully and accurately it has given the buy. And here, it has given a sell signal. One thing about writing prompts for AI, many people face a common problem. What should I write? I don't understand. I can't write in English. AI recognizes every language well and will respond to you in that same language. There is no issue with the language. I'm telling you this because I received many comments about it. You can write in any language, give comments in any language, and it will do your work for you. Friends, do let me know how you liked the video. Please like, share, and comment. And definitely write in the comment section what new thing you learned from this. Right. Sir, I learned this from the video. Do write about what new thing you learned.